Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set for major performance upgrades. Price bump too. Planning to jack up the price of the S26 Ultra? Samsung, that would be your mistake. Top experts and analysts discussed about Galaxy S26 Ultra's upgrades and price hike survey. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is already gearing up to launch its 2026 flagships lineup early next year, with the flagship Samsung S26 Ultra at the helm. Recent reports indicate notable upgrades as to the Galaxy S26 Ultra's performance. However, a price hike is also speculated, arising from increasing component costs. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is likely to pack Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset under its hood. Recent FCC filings, models SMS948B and SMS948U, confirm the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, SM8850, for both global and US variants. This ends speculation about Exynos 2600 for the Ultra, though it may appear in the standard Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus. Users prefer Snapdragon for better performance and heat management, even though Exynos typically provides better power efficiency and extended battery runtime. Benchmarks reported by Phone Arena indicated convergence. The Exynos 2600 scored 3455 in single-core tests, compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5's 2885 points, but reversed in multi-core with 111621 versus 12396 points. China's 3C listing, SM-S9480, further revealed up to 60 watts wired charging, up from 45 watts, enabling quicker charging on an approximately 5000 to 5200 mAh battery. As per the latest survey, Analysts believes that the new Samsung S26 Ultra's price will remain the same as the Galaxy S25 Ultra's, $1299 US. They are awaiting justification for any price increase. Competitors like Xiaomi offer larger batteries and faster charging at lower prices, putting pressure on Samsung. Only breakthrough upgrades, such as new battery technology or ultra-fast charging, would justify the S26 Ultra's price increase. Samsung's main risk is raising prices due to inflation, rather than innovation. If the Galaxy S26 Ultra gets price hike, this will force users to look for other flagships. But, if a price increase does occur, Samsung will really have to justify it. A larger battery, faster charging, or a standout new feature that truly enhances the device's value could make the higher price much easier to accept. Offer users something interesting, something different, and something worthy of the Ultra name. It is reported that the new Galaxy S26 Ultra 5G will launch in February 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.